Hey y'all, it's Yvonne. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making butterfly locks.
Hi guys, so I'm going to get attachment because I want to participate in this darling influencer deal, whatever.
In the market now, and I'm searching for a store that will have the hair extension I'm looking for in particular. Since it's a new product, I found it in this particular store. You'll be needing scissors, combs, strong straws, hair extension, and bobby pins. So I chose the shade Tulip because I just like the blend. I like how subtle the shade is. The extension is pre-stretched, but I cut it and then still stretched it a little bit so that it doesn't have sharp ends. Now it's time to make the spring twist. First, you get a straw. Now make sure you're using a hard straw. If you're using a soft straw, which is the regular straws that they have in the market, you have difficulties when wrapping because it will keep on bending. Now I used a cocktail straw, and even this is stronger than the regular one, but it's not as strong as a proper hard straw. Now this one kept on bending and it made it a bit difficult, but since it wasn't my first time, I was able to maneuver it. So try your best to find a hard straw if this is your first time doing this. Then you wrap downwards, and when you're done with that particular piece, you go back to the other half and wrap upwards with the rest. You make sure you use a bobby pin at the end so it does not loosen. Since I am making bob length butterfly locks, I'm trying to ensure that all the braids end at the same length. So you can either use a tape rule if you have one at home to measure 10 inches, then 14 and 12 inches for the different parts of your hair, the front, the center, and the back. Now, if you do not have a tape rule at home, you can raise the piece of braiding hair to the side of your face and measure it to your shoulder blade. So when you measure the front of your hair, you measure the center of your hair, then you measure the back, and take note of these lengths. You make one braid each of these lengths and then the remaining you mirror to each of the braids you made. This is to ensure that your hair stops at the same place so that the bob looks perfect. When wrapping butterfly locks, you want to use your thumbs to form the wings. So you put your thumb and then you wrap over and under it, and you repeat the same motion till you get to the end of the braid. When you get to the end of the braid, you come back up. But when coming back up, make sure you do not cover up the wings that you've already made. So you wrap over the wings and keep going until you've exhausted the braiding hair. I had 45 pieces of spring twist, which I used to make 50 pieces of butterfly locks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications to see subsequent videos of me installing this hair and styling it. Till then, bye loves.